Alright, on today's video, I will be teaching you how to make money online without any amount. So, for those of you who want to make money online and have no capital, no startup amount, you just want to register and start making money online, you're right in the channel where I will be teaching you guys how to make little money that will later become huge. All you need to do is to just stay to the end of this video, and I will show you a site where you will be generating income. You will be mining gradually and later end up huge amount. Alright, let's go to the dashboard. Before we proceed, all I want you to understand is you will go to my link where you chat me up for the registration link so I can send to you. When you go to the website directly for the registration, you will not be registered correctly. So all you need to do is to go to my link and register. So you'll be earning a welcoming bonus, something I think. So let's go to my dashboard. Here is the link, is hawkit. Okay, let's wait for it to load and see. It has a referral bonus of 500 naira, and here on this website you can buy recharge card at a cheaper rate and also buy data at a cheaper rate. The tax you will be doing today or anytime here on this website is commenting, liking and sharing of social media activities, social media posts. So the site is legit. All you need to do is to just calm down to the end of the video so you will get to know how it works. So let's see, this thing is taking much of our time. Let me pause the video and start it again. Okay, now we are on the signing of this thing. Let me pause the video. Alright, we're back again. For security reason, I have to pause this video and put my password before any other logins. So click the login button. You'll see how it works. It's opening the site. I just registered the site not too long. For proper confirmation, it's asking me here to put my phone number, which I'm going to do that. Let's see. Update phone number. Alright, I'm in the site now. Here is my dashboard. Yes, you welcome Samuel. Main balance 115 naira. From total earning 0, pending balance some 5 minutes that pass. I registered the site. So it said you have some new tags that are still pending. Please perform tags before it expires so you can earn pending tags. So they're talking about the tags I supposed to be taking. Recent activities, see what people are doing on hawkit. You see here you don't need to be earning a lot of money, and that gives you more proof that the site is legit. And it is not the site that is paying, it's people like you, like users, that will be keeping a link, or let me say directing you to their Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and some other stuff like that for you to go and comment and also share their posts, like their videos and some other things like that, so you will be earning little money. Here they say at Arab 2020 from Wakari Taraba, just earn 20 naira for posting an advert on WhatsApp. You see, these are the little tags you will be taking on. Here are some tags. They say here, they say earn daily by performing social tags such as follow, like, comment, share. I just say that, and here they say get real followers, like, comment. They say get real followers, like, comment, share, retweet, and buy your airtime. Buy your airtime data hawkit at up to 10% discount. You see, post your product and services. You yourself, you can post a product and services for your colleagues who are doing the same job to help you. And here they say refer people to join hawkit and earn 500. You see, the referral is paying 500. Immediately someone got registered through your link, you have a 500 naira to be withdrawn. It is going to come directly to your dashboard. And here they say manage and edit your account. It's all about profile, though my picture is not here. So let's see how this thing works. Okay, let's go to earning and performing tags daily. Get started. Let's see how it works. You see, here are the tags for today, though they're not that much. People have not they have not posted the tags that much. Uploaded fail and some other stuff like that. So when you complete these tags, the 3 naira. Only this first WhatsApp, the first one is 20 naira. So you will be generating small income like that before you understand. It boost you up. They say buy real followers. You see how the site got their own money, that is their own site of getting income through the site is buy real followers. You're buying at the rate of 5 naira, while they're paying your client 30 naira. And you see, you can even use this. They say buy YouTube subscriber 50 naira per subscribe. You see, everybody, you just put some money here and ask your people to follow you on YouTube and some stuff. You see, all these ones, these are the little tags you'll be doing, be earning every day. Small before you understand. And what you need to know about it is you can withdraw your money immediately if it is 100 naira. You don't need to let the money reach up to 1000 naira or 3. The minimum withdrawal is 100 naira. Someone like me, that my balance right now is 115 naira. I can make a withdrawal. You understand? And you can also fund your account. Here you can fund your account, and you can also come here and withdraw it. But no time for withdrawal and no time for funding. Let's go to the recharge card stuff and see what is their discount. Hawkit, they say 2.5 gig data, 490 naira instead of 500. Here 25 naira for 1 gig. 250 naira for 1 gig 30 days instead of 300 for some gurus or 500. While here they say 2 gig for 500 naira, 1250 naira for 5 gig. You see, they have a discount here. Glow, 1000 naira Glow airtime. Instead of you're paying 950. You see, you buy airtime, you also buy data. Let's go back and see another tax. They say buy and sell anything on hawkit. You are buying anything you want, and you can also sell anything you want. So that's it. Just want to shorten the video. I don't want the video to take that much time. Refer and earn. Here, refer and earn. Get started. Let's click and see. Here they say, as a member on hawkit, you can earn 2 types of referral bonus, which include earn an instant referral commission. That is, when you refer someone, immediately the person refer become a full member, you're going to receive a 500 naira. When you refer someone to become a member on hawkit, the more you refer, the more you earn. But for example, if you refer an average of 20% per day, you will have 10,000 per day and 230,000 per month from just referral. You see how it works. So the second one, they say earn social boost referral commission of 20% of any amount paid. What did you? Okay, listen. When you refer someone to buy likes, followers, comments, shares, WhatsApp posts, view, etc. For example, if you refer 50 users to buy 2,000 likes or followers worth of 10,000, you will earn 2,000 per users and whooping 100,000 instantly. See how it works. So this site is very, very good. And you are not going to start it with any amount. You're going to do the registration free, while you get a full verification as a member with 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. So what you're supposed to do, what you need to know is, you're going to bring back your 1,000 naira as far as you make a funding. You make a funding of 1,000 naira, and you become a real member. With the 1,000 naira, they're going to give you a welcoming bonus of 115 naira here. The way you just see in my dashboard here, it's not too long. I registered this. So all you need to do, you cannot even be depending on the tax. You can go on and be, let's say, you can go on and be doing the referral stuff. Okay, let's say your shopping wallet credit transaction of 1,000 naira is successful. You see this. I just found my wallet. They say your bank account details have been changed successfully. I put a bank account detail. Your shopping wallet debit transaction 1,000. Your shopping wallet credit transaction of 115 naira is successful. A total of 5 new tags have been assigned to you as a new member. So that's how they do it here. What do you need to do? Okay, let's go. They say airtime here. Go social. Before you open all these things, go social market and more. Let's click to the more and see if it is going to pop up. More here. Okay, my order. From stuff like this. This one is all about your profile settings and other view. So all you need to do is, you're going to see a referral link. So if you want to register, you get registered through my link, and you'll be earning a commission, little amount of money, and before you understand, you've make it. You understand, because 2 people are bringing back your 1,000 naira. So that's just that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share my YouTube to some of your viewers or your friends and family, and also click the notification button that will help to notify you whenever I drop a related video that will help you to make money online with or without capital. So stay tuned for my next video. Yes.
These fancy things will never come in between.